I wanted to show you guys everything I'm looking at right now. I like this overlay. I know TradingView would have a much more technical and faster response, but this is a really nice, quick way if you're on the go to look at a live chart of a futures mirroring an equity. So the background large image there is IWM, which mirrors over here to the Micro Russell 2000 index. So what I'm doing is basically just scalping today. So I was down here and I was up there and down here and up there. So what I do is I superimpose the image over there. So I can like double image, not screen share, but you know what I'm saying. And I keep this one over here in the corner so I can watch the current flow. So I'm looking at the RSI. I'm watching for my MACD to reverse. Right now I have a buy on the futures. So I'm just making sure things are going the way I want them to go. If I start seeing any kind of technical reversal, well, right there, we just had a slight drop back to that line. We'll see. If it holds right here, I might go into a sell because it's probably going to start dropping back down toward the 172 of IWM. I don't think it's going to get that low immediately, but with futures, every tick is a value. So we won't hold this video too long here. I just want to quickly show you what I do, and I like this. It just gives me a very, very quick minute to minute, because if you're over here, you don't see anything. You can't double tap to get any charts. You're just waiting, and you don't even know where it's going to go. So like right here, it's dropping down. So I'm -8, -7. So yeah, I don't like just staring at lines. I'd rather see what's going on. And you can see that MACD is kind of turning red a bit here. So it looks like it might start dropping down. We have the line on top crossing over. RSI is dropping. So let's just go ahead and pop in a sell. Filled. So now we are in a one contract sell. Go back over here. And we'll just keep watching. This is a 5-minute chart on IWM. I wish I could do 3 minutes. I like 3 minutes. But it doesn't offer me 3 minutes. So, like I said, you could always go over to TradingView or whoever you like to use and follow it that way. I like it Robinhood. I don't know. Keep it all the same, I suppose. But whatever you want to do, obviously you can go ahead and adjust this for yourself. But today is a very sideways day so far. Nothing really fun in the market. It's shaking out all of the different retailers here. The big hedgies are playing their games like usual. We might have some kind of fun in the afternoon. But it seems like days like this, the hedgies will just bounce everything around and manipulate the market until, an hour, 2 hours before close, and then they jump in and have some fun. But we just have the large tariffs on China and reciprocal to us from China hit today, so we'll see. So yeah, anyways, that's it. That's what I like to do, having a superimposed small window of my futures on top of a live chart behind. Gives me a nice quick view of what's going on. So that's it. That's all. We should have stayed in the buys. I had a feeling. Let's go back to that. I had a feeling we should have stayed there. I didn't like how it was just slightly heading the wrong way. See? It's that easy. If you had just stuck with my gut right there, the MACD was just barely hitting that thin red line. I was like, I don't know. It could reverse, but it could start going back down to red. If I had just stayed in that buy like we had before, the beginning of this video would have been beautiful. And here we go. There goes the Nice. Glad we got back in, huh? Let's see where we at for profits. Probably like, what, $3-4? Yeah. Because you got in a little bit late after that hop. So, anyway, it's just fun stuff. Using charts, live charts behind, so you can track what you're doing. Okay, all right, I'm gonna hop off now. Yes, join Discord, join our expert panels, discussions, chats, option plays. We're trying to get some futures working in there. But yeah, this is just quick stuff. Come over, subscribe to the channel as I grow my channel, and we'll add more and more. I'm gonna go live here, maybe a half hour on my channel, so maybe do some live trading. I don't know, we'll see. Okay.